All right, Kim's back to guide us from record warmth to bitter cold and some storms in between.
I know, it's definitely going to be a crazy, 24 hours from now. So right now it's 73 degrees.
I can't believe it.
I know. It will feel like it's 60 degrees colder by this same time tomorrow because our wind chills will be around 13.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
It is crazy.
Yeah, it is. It's a little bit dramatic even for us. But we've got a lot of sunshine out there now, and that has just created the most beautiful February day we have ever had. It's 74 in Detroit, 72 in Howland-Lapeer, and 71 in Monroe. Low 70s across the board with the exception of Grosse Ile at 62 and Adrian 69. Right now it is anywhere from 17 degrees warmer at the airport all the way to 21 degrees warmer than it was just 24 hours ago up in Lapeer. So definitely warm temps today. It was even warm yesterday, but nothing like this. This is the hottest February day we have ever had. We've had a couple days that were in the right at 70 degrees, but we've never made it to 73. We are still at that slight risk of severe weather, even though slight doesn't sound like it's much. It is a level 2 on a 5-level scale, so we can definitely get some storms in here. Biggest threats will be wind gusts over 60 miles per hour and hail. Hail is the #1 threat that could reach a severe limit. We could have hail the size of golf balls very easily. Flooding will be a scattered threat and can't rule out an isolated tornado. It would be incredibly rare, but the atmosphere is ripe for that kind of development. A little later, the timeline's moved a bit, so if you do have evening plans up until about 8, 9 o'clock, you're totally fine. This is 11 p.m. and still some of Metro Detroit is dry. By midnight, starting to get into the thick of it between about 11 and 1 a.m. Definitely some strong, 2 possibly severe thunderstorms, but look how quickly things clear out. By around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we'll be mostly cloudy with maybe just a little bit of light rain, but at 6 o'clock, still can't rule out a couple light showers even in the morning hours. So here's that timeline now through 11 p.m. dry and warm, 11 to about 2 a.m. showers and storms, and then after 2 a.m. we'll start to dry out with just a few light showers possible at 6 a.m. Wind advisory, this will be our next issue, starts at 7 a.m. tomorrow until 7 p.m. tomorrow with wind gusts over 45 miles per hour. So we'll have about a 20 to 30 degree temperature drop, but it's those wind chills that will drop down close to the single digits just 24 hours from now. So your forecast for tonight, 54 degrees, storms moving through anywhere between 11 and about 2 a.m. Some could be strong to severe. Winds out of the south 10 to 20. Again, high winds and hail, the 2 primary threats from those storms. Then tomorrow, any rain we have in the morning will change over to some light snow, but mainly just flurries. We're not expecting a lot of moisture tomorrow, and temperatures will climb all the way into the upper 50s. But that's overnight tonight. In the afternoon tomorrow, we'll drop down into the 20s with wind chills, as I said, right around 13. But look at next week. By the end of the weekend, we're right back into the 60s. More on that coming up. Karen?
All right. Thank you so much, Kim.